Hello YouTube. So here I'm going to make a video of the Boxing Day sale that I've got for 89 bucks. It's a new Milwaukee Shockwave impact socket, deep socket, so half-inch drive. So it's a 12 piece deep impact half-inch drive socket set with the molded case like this, which is good. So yeah, first impression, very nice molded case with properly labeled deep sockets from 10 to size 22 millimeters. So Milwaukee is advertising that it is a, if you can read it properly, stamp and ink filled. That's why the label is gonna last a long time. So yeah, so it's a non-slip hex geometry, forged high torque impact steel, and dual hole design for easier attachment. So you can use it also with a detent pin anvil, and you need to put a pin on it so it won't so it will stay on the impact wrench when you're using it. It won't fall. Okay, so 6-point deep socket. Okay, so it's one sample of the, yeah, so nicely ink stamp. Okay, so nicely built. So let's see if it's going to last better compared to my other impact sockets. So see you on my next video. I'm going to use this one especially on removing lug nuts and suspension and brake jobs. Thanks for watching.